Hey traders, it's Jeff with Simply Derivative, and here's a daily recap video for Thursday, May 16th. Taking a look at the S&P products that we trade and analyze each day in the markets, looking at the ES futures contracts, SPY, and SPX, so a couple cash markets, and then the futures contracts that we trade. Not much to say about today, except it was a nice up day, basically a continuation from yesterday. We held yesterday's high and just straight shot up and closed the gap at this 28.90 area, 288 on the SPYs, and again 28.90 on the SPX. And so not much to say. We sold off towards the end of the day kind of thing, but right from the beginning bell, we just rocketed straight up, held yesterday's high and never looked back, and closed the gaps and then sold off towards the end of the day. And so, like I said, not much to say. There was a couple trading opportunities early on, needed to hop on long, and then later in the day, obviously, there was a shorting opportunity. And so that was really the only two things that we were looking at today. Take a look at the ES itself. Right in here, let me highlight this. This blue line was previous day high 2860. Pre-market we shot above that and then slowly pulled back and consolidated, and as soon as the market opened, buyers stepped in and just took the market straight up. You can see that both on the 60 and the 15 in here, and then later in that day, once we cleared 2890, had a nice reversal candle on that and sold off. Now we are heading down lower after hours, down about 7.5 points on the ES, but I suspect we may continue to grind higher. There wasn't really any news with Trump and China, and so you can see the market just rally up. There was something that Trump said about the auto tariffs, delaying those, and so that kind of gave the green light to do risk on today, and so you saw that really from the start. And so not much other than that going on. Like I said, best opportunities were these two, one in the morning and then one later in the day by the open, and then towards the end of the day, once we saw that reversal on both the 60 and the 15, there was a shorting opportunity. And so those were the two trades that we were looking at and took today. Other than that, not much else here in the S&P. And so we're going to see how the week finishes out tomorrow, whether or not we get any news, China related or not. It's kind of headline driven trading as the week has gone by, and so we'll see how we finish out. I suspect we may retest 2900. If not, we'll probably dip below yesterday's high 2860 and get back towards this 2850 2840 area, but I have a feeling we may get up and get pretty close to that 2900 again. On the daily, there's a couple strong candles that are moving us higher, so we'll see how that goes tomorrow to finish out the week. And that's it, guys. And if you want to learn more, you want to join us trading, be sure to check us out at simplyderivative.com. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, give the video a thumbs up, and always check out our YouTube page and Twitch page for live streams, live trading, day trading here in these markets. So that's it for tonight. Have a good night. We'll see you.